Lychee is a tasty fruit, and it has large shiny seeds. It's quite easy to make new lychee trees by planting these seeds, and here's how we do that. We don't plant the seeds vertically. We lay them on their sides, then push them in a couple of centimeters, or a little less than an inch, just enough so that we can cover them with a thin layer of dirt. Later, we'll add a little bit of water. It's best to plant more than one seed because not all seeds germinate, and even if all seeds do germinate, not all the young plants may survive past a month or so. We give them just a bit of water. For the first couple of weeks, we keep the soil moist, not soaking wet. This soil here is from my yard. Healthy soil, but it's not some special mix or blend. These should germinate within a couple of weeks. I'll keep these indoors in a bright, sunny area. Good luck!